Hello friends, searching for instant water heater. Well, let's see the best one for your bathroom or kitchen.
A.O. Smith Minibot SJS 3 liter Blue Diamond glass line tank, 5 years warranty on tank, 3 years warranty on heating element, 2 years on product. Price around 4000. Free connector pipe. Best for your bathrooms. Free connector pipe. Wow, excellent looking. Input output. Havells. Havells Instanio 3 liter. Free connector pipe. ABS body with color changing indicator. 5 years warranty on tank. 2 years warranty on product. Price around 3500. Free connector pipe. Very smart and good looking. Connector pipe and wire. This is one of another model, Havells Opal. Venus. Venus Hunt 3 liter. High grade 304 liter SS tank. 5 years warranty on tank. Steam thermostat, steam cutout, LED indicator light. Smart and good looking geyser for your bathroom. Surja Insta Plus 3 liter. 5 years warranty on SS tank. Product warranty 2 years. Thermal cutout with multiple safety system. ABS body. Good looking. Price around 2800. Bajaj Flora. Oval shape. 5 years warranty on SS tank. 3 years warranty on heating element. ABS body with indicator, multiple safety system, price around 3000, pre-installation and connector pipe. Crompton, Crompton Bliss, 2 years warranty on SS tank, ABS body, price around 2800. Pre-installation and connector pipe not allowed. Bajaj Juvenile 3 liter instant geyser, diamond cutting, best looking, 5 years warranty on SS tank, 3 years warranty on heating element, 2 years warranty on product, ABS body, pre-installation and connector pipe, price around 3200. Good for your bathroom, kitchen.
Thanks for watching.